Oh, hey! How's everybody doing? Welcome back to Hold'em Built. On last week's video, we wrapped up, by we, I mean me, we wrapped up the passenger side floorboard. That's pretty much all done, besides like one spot, but we're gonna forget about that till the end. On this week's agenda, or today specifically, I need to figure out a game plan what to do for the passenger side door sill, the inside of that, the body mount hangers, and again another floorboard layout. So we're probably gonna do some cardboard aided design today, and that may be all we get done today, because this is probably the worst side out of all of it. And if you own a Roadster or any like Japanese, British, like MGBs, MGs, this is like the part that always rots out. Yeah, so I'll bring you a little closer. I should have never bought this car, but especially for the price that I paid for it. Then I think it didn't run. Had a really nice carpet kit in it, and yeah, came with some extra parts. Yeah, terrible idea, but hey, we're here now. If I were to sell this thing right now, I would not make any money. And most of this was covered in Bondo. I don't know, he must have been some sort of artist sculptor, because look at this mess. Oh. And how they sandwich these two pieces of metal together, this is what usually happens. Kind of turns into a Pillsbury dough croissant kind of material, the peel apart ones. But yeah, I did some of this right here a little while ago. That still needs to be like massaged a lot better than what it was. Same thing. So that mess. So cutting out from here to here on the inside too. You know, brace this from here to here with like a metal support. I don't think it's gonna move. If it does, it's probably not gonna move very much, because that side is now all in. There's a front body mount, just sort of pop it right out, get it on the bench, and then just look at it for like a good 2 years, and then never end up doing it and jump the car. Okay, this looks like garbage, but I just took some, you know, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, just electrical conduit, because that's what I had for scrapping. Obviously, I'm not going to use like some good metal to put in there. So right here, don't look too close, it's pretty bad. Just right here, right where that little pinch weld mark is. Do a little time lapse on that too. Time for the old ball peen hammer work here. Here, and did that as well. So, I know, just get. Boy, that's. I think that was like. I got it! It's a rain stick. Yeah, floors are solid! What, I just spent 15 to 20 grand on a restored one. Oh my gosh! What am I gonna do now? Let's get to it. I think I can probably get a really good base map off of this. Just like as far as locations. Like essentially just put this on the table right down there. So once this sill goes back in, it will be super easy to weld to the floor pan and all that stuff to tie everything back together. But super pleased with that. The edges right here to prep. It's just a bunch of prep work, guys. You don't need to see this stuff like every single minute, or else these videos I didn't finish it. Minty mints. Gonna set you guys down. Oh, right there, cleaned them up, got those knocked out. Those are looking spiffy. I've come to a conclusion today to just stop working on this specifically because I need to find a thinner metal. And I don't want to rush into, something as complicated as that. So, but appreciate you guys watching. Like, subscribe. So far, the channel's been growing and growing. So I appreciate you guys watching everything, giving it a thumbs up, even commenting. I'll try to get back to you guys. But for like daily uploads and what I do for work in general, this is basically just my hobby. Well, see you later. See you next time. Peace out, homie G's.